Imagine pressing the gas pedal and feeling like your car is dragging a heavy anchor behind it, sluggish, unresponsive, and just not waking up like it used to. That is the frustrating reality of a P005A code, which stands for Camshaft Profile Control Circuit Performance on Bank 1. This sounds super technical, but let us break it down into plain English. Your engine has a camshaft that opens and closes valves to let air in and exhaust out. Modern engines are clever. They can actually change the shape or profile of the cam lobes on the fly. It's like having two different engines in one, a fuel-sipping profile for cruising and a high-performance profile for when you need to pass someone. This code means the computer tried to switch profiles on Bank 1, which is the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, but it did not happen fast enough or it got stuck. Usually, the B cam refers to the exhaust side, but check your specific manual to be sure. Now here's the insider tip that might save you a ton of money. 90% of the time, this code is caused by oil issues. This system runs on oil pressure. If you've skipped a few oil changes, used the wrong viscosity, like putting 5W30 in an engine that needs 0W20, or if you have sludge buildup, the tiny passages get clogged. The solenoid that controls this switch cannot move if the oil is dirty or the pressure is wrong. So, before you buy any sensors or tear apart the engine, pull the dipstick. Is the oil level low? Is it black and gritty? If so, change the oil and filter immediately. Use the exact oil weight the manufacturer recommends, not just whatever's on sale. If the oil is clean, then you need to look at the solenoid itself on Bank 1. Locate the wiring harness for the profile control solenoid and check for broken tabs or frayed wires, as engine vibration kills these connectors. If the wiring looks good, the solenoid itself might be stuck from old varnish or sludge. Sometimes a simple cleaning of the solenoid screens restores the power, but if it's electrical, a multimeter check will tell you if the circuit is dead. Start with the oil. Seriously, it is the lifeblood of this system.